The wise that are coming from the east, double trouble namhlanje is a double impact. Ngiphethe uPapa Duma. Now, Undade Duma is the one many moons back who inspired me. I call a lot of people leadership, if you know me. So now leadership, Wamampela, the original leadership is this one. So he's one of my many forces on the ground, a loyalist of note. And I don't like singing people's praises, only to find out later. Wrong. Before he introduces himself, because there's a burning issue now, the case that's all over social media, that's all over the news agencies, nama channels, where they speak about the current nominated or a candidate ezobang mayor Action SA. This is the one said Mr. Xolani Khumalo. So there's a case. So this is the man who can actually break this thing down. I know ukuthi case engithi mina ise court. Manje ngoba thina saboqala zive asisabantu abayipilikazi, we deal with facts. In the building, in the news agency ngapha ikhona ingwenye eLokshin FM la. Mele ngikuplug phela Brabongs. Uyiveze nawe and then you must follow. If usethokoza ngale in the surrounding areas, you must just know ukuthi nayo indoda enkulu. Right, Papa D. Dumela Mhlompe, leadership.
Leader.
Ukahle leadership.
Number one.
Yeah. Ngiyakubona ondlekile manje mfana kithi. Into zakho zihamba kahle bafana.
Hey.
Yeah. Inkinga zodwa. Yeah, bekunjani emaselini for ama minutes nyana few ngoba ukwalala nawo wapaqama. Iphoyisa abaliphoyisile labosho. Khuluma nathi Papa D, kwenzakalani?
No, the Chungubulise wana leadership.
Yeah.
Yeah. One, we had an operation.
Yeah.
Yamapoisa, last invited Kona Mapoisa. But obviously I'm not going to go into details of what happened and stuff because of already cases in court. So with that operation, Bogna Mapoisa, different police, Bogue operation got Kennedy Erasmus.
Yeah.
They invited me because of as a chairperson of Gauteng Anti-Crime Unit. So I had to organize all the crime fighters to say, there's an operation because of way to is to help Mapoisa, Tina Singa Mapoisa. So we went there, take pictures and now we went on operation. So good operation, divided our teams. Yeah. So my team bengene kwenye indlu, any team ingene kule ndlu yami ukukhuluma ngayo team ina bengikhona lapho. So because of the corruption that is happening within our policemen and the staff, because of I don't think ukuthi suspect bengazi ngalo gama lelo, victim bengazi ngalo gama lelo, eningazi that deep. So obviously within somehow people mislead, tell ukuthi bakakhona lapha uduma nobani, you know. And ngebhathi mina bengekho lapha. Two ngihlangane naye mangihambisa suspect strategy. Wangitshela ukuthi yakhumbula kusaphila uOrla Mandla, Supreme Commander Mandla, wangivimba ngithi ihlukana nami wena because bengekho kuye. Yeah, so icase njalo. So yeah, it's a court. We'll hear a court ukuthi thini. Yeah, we'll take it from there.
I saw a lot of people who started a revolution, Papa D, is rallying behind you and Xolani Khumalo. There's one thing about cases, they are going to be tried and tested in courts. Abantu abafana boBrabongs who follows every day as aboqala ziva abantu beindaba, they always want to know the facts ukuthi what really transpired or happened. So what are we expecting? Do you think when you know for a fact that no, listen, ngoba ukhalenge corruption, what if the corruption works against you and Xolani? Are you sure that no, we are clear? Because it's not about you pleading guilty here on the platform, but we need to know what we are supporting. Because if you were there, you were there. If you were not, you were not.
Yeah, no, I'm 110% sure. Uguti, I was not part of whatever that is saying. Yes, but on operation base corner and then somebody my poise. Yeah, that I can tell you on the record.
Well, many months back, Ngaleska say had a lockdown, busy COVID. I worked with this man very close. I led a team, Sisonke, because wongu mundu bege leadership. We went to Durban on foot, walking, amplifying the message, applied gender-based violence and femicide. And then across, I remember on that day, Lagles Tombe, nangu lapana Minister Ronald Lamula, Minister Lindiwe Zulu. I remember I was on stage, La Pasine Kwela tapes and all of that. So you've been a crime fighter of note. Now, as I've introduced you, Lo Uduma, people want to get to know you better on the platform. Why kuzo zonke izinto ezikhona kunesikolo kunamantombazana abantu badlala amantombazana badlala ibhola abanye badlala umrabaraba wena wafuna ukuzodlala i-security and you are becoming that last line of defense by right now you are current sitting chairperson yalama units are fighting crime in Gauteng. Why this crime fighting for you?
Yeah, i-third bonus ekhaya, I remember bakaSpana Sharp engineering company. Then it decided ukuthi azitholele indawo awubhalisa indaba ze-RTP. Okay, bathole indawo bomele bama-move from Palm Ridge babayise kuma-RTP. But obviously we are qualified wonke into and stuff. Now ukugcina kwami ngigcine lo muntu sekumele bamove bayohlala lapho. And he resigned emsebenzini. But azange understand why resign emsebenzini. All to find out with my brother sekathatha ama-drugs. And when I look at him, mangilandelela uthengisa indlu nge-9,000.
You?
Now I ask myself ukuthi madoda kanti lento angithi bengibonela from a distance into ama-drugs, but manje sengibonisha straight kimi manje endlini. And again nginomfanami Simelo Buhle Kitumitse and bahlala phambi nakwami. Uyabona? So I ask myself ukuthi if this thing iyenzakala kubhuti wami kusho ukuthi abantwana bami bawukhulela kule this environment where ama-drugs athengiswa ngathi kuthengiswa ama-sweet. And I said no ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngistope before bothatha zonke and stuff. So I remember one day about the late Abovo we went amajita nje abuzaza we had a meeting said bafethu man this thing imeli paid we cannot just into ama-drugs yekele so and went and do door to door kubantu abathengisa ama-drugs just to tell them bafethu siya-understand anisebenzi ukwenzakalani but can you stop that because of this thing lezi zibulala abantwana bethu zibulala izindlu zasemakhaya zibulala ama-families abantu baluza imisebenzi because of and abanye bezwe ukuthi silambile senzani sithi makulamba kwakho kulimaza thina you know so it's into egcina sengenzela ukuthi bafethu we need to do something. So kancane nje masesebhizi kanjalo ukomanda Mchacho bahleli Thokoza namajita makuzofuna ithatha zonke ke manje while thina silokhu sesiphushela sikhuma nama-drug dealers wacela ukuthi stop whatever that we are doing. One day bahleli Thokoza kufika abanye abafethu bangena phakathi ngo-2022 nge-15 June bangena eshop bangena etavern bathenga bakade ukuphuma bayahamba futhi labantu babaze babulise bafuthe njani ayishap but obviously abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani baphuma ngemoto ihambe. The following day kufika i-IO bafethu man kufika imoto so sifika yeah sibone imoto le abantu bafika bathenga utshwala labantu laba bebahamba ne-victim bayifaka ebhuthini so ukuthi babathatha ikhadi layo bayoswapha ngalo kulentuzaneni and abantu bafethu hayi this thing manje ngathi sekuba into sehlala yenzakala. I remember there's one comrade le-ANC bakasibana i-PCO azibhakele bam-hijack and everyone was asking bamshaya imoto nini imoto itholakala kuphi bamdubulile ushonile and we said bafethu no we cannot just sehlale nje kuphela sibukele. It's how we started yasesevusana lento ukuthi issue ama-drugs and stuff. Then I joined Tata Zonke. I said bafethu we need to do something because of kusho ukuthi ingane zethu sozibona zifa silokhu sibona ukuthi abotaba bani bona ngathi bangcono bathengisa ama-drugs thina silokhu sibhizi sibe sesitradini sithi siyaphusha ukuthi sikwazi ukuba sharp bona they are destroying the very same young people. Obviously when I look at my son ngibona impumelelo ngibona umfundisi ngibona i-president but if I allow that ama-drugs alokhu enzakala ne-crime enzakala yena uzibona ngathi i-crime into grand. That's how I started joining anti-crime unit and move with it.
Let's talk about these formations and how they are formed. Do you sit down, perhaps, nizhlelele somewhere, kunama movements, abathi ama-liberation movements, enye starter out of anger because kuyaqatshwana leader le, omunye sekafila ukuthi no nami sengifuna ukuba leader. I want to know how you form these formations. Siphethe abodudula, siphethe mhlamba ama-battalion, siphethe Tata Zonke, siphethe yizo. I want to know, how do you formulate these structures? Because I want us to run away from a situation where we had an oversupply of guns. Ngesikhathi se-IFP, the ANC, the conflict ebeyikhona, wena kuhlala stone throw away from your hostela. Same story sami. Wena uhlala ngale kulela side, mina ngihlala ngapha eMngadi, sihlukaniswa ikhwesini. So you know exactly ukuthi ekugcineni the very same guns zigcine zispana. Otherwise, I'm worried about the guns ezigcwala yonke indawo because everyone now has a rifle. Uyayithola? Ekugcineni country iyotholakala se-under siege. What happens then? Kuyaphela i-crime, subside abantu bama-drugs, you do a pushback, sigcina sama-problems. How do you form these structures?
Yeah, Tata Zonke, it was the first organization yamuva ngoba nebirth IOPS from Soweto beza bafuna ukwazi bafethi rana kanjani the structure, but obviously the challenges are different, but as much as cishe afana kwenye indawo uthola ukuthi hijack imoto, kwenye indawo kuba nento so. Now obviously within lapho kwavela nama organization, so each and every organization baba ne structure sabo kuyasetshenzwa kwenzani, and we said hey bafethi, the danger about what we are saying now is that if we allow everyone avule organization, we are going to have a challenge. Remember, as somebody always on a crime, you need to, so amaphoyisa azi now, so that we're running away ukuthi sigcine sisithola ukuthi abanye abantu kanti amanye bangene gangsterism bafuna ukustart. But the danger about what we are saying, it is something that then we jump to say, let's have a form eGauteng. Kusho ukuthi maseke eGauteng sazi ukuthi masifike Soweto kune team Soweto ilentuzana, masifike eDuduza kunani, masifika kuphi kunani, so that sazi abantu esebenzisana nawo. But what we are saying, it is true because of now everyone now want ufuna ukuthenga isibhamu, and everyone makafeel ukuthi akafuni landela umthetho Tata Zonke feels ukuthi akahamba uvule organization yakhe. Then makavule organization yakhe somehow iyaqala manje ba gangsterism. But remember, the main issue ukuthi siqale lento ukuthi wanted to help amaphoyisa. But the more government that is not taking this thing serious and making sure ukuthi bafethu there's this cancer esifisa kwe crime, if the government doesn't want to fight this thing, izoyenza ukuthi manje these crime fighters ekugcineni babone kwenye. Let me do an example. If mina ngu-Gauteng chairperson bangenzanga lilanga ngithi ngiyadlula estradini ngidudule iphoyisa ngamistake ngesibhamu, what's going to happen? Kuthiwa amaphoyisa avela corrupt. And now into esibulalayo sigcina sisithola la is because of I feel ukuthi government is not doing enough in terms of fighting this thing and making sure ukuthi the crime yayehla because of njengoba sihleli so kunosambodi abamhijacker, somebody amtransfer imali, mara the government, as much as is government maybe bathi okay Tata Zonke nabantu, can we sit down, let's have a plan, because of Tina we tried, we go to police station, masibiza we go into police station, mara ekugcineni when we sebenzisa police station sisebenzisana namaphoyisa ekugcina kuboshwa thina. But we'll never hear ukuthi iphoyisa bukanjile bathi ngene ku-drug dealer bese or bangene umuntu ogangayo bese bambophisa. Now lento manje somehow seveza inzondo, seveza nefear abanye abantu ukuthi hey mina ngifuna ukumoshakala ifuture yami because abanye abantu apply emsebenzini kuthiwa hayi wena une pending case yalento. Mara ekugcineni iyogcina so i-gangsterism because of government is not taking this thing serious.
Why do you think they don't want to allow you into their own space? Do you think it's because the system now somehow it's flawed, it's rotten to the core, okanye kunabantu abarepresent ama-interest athize nizovusa izinto ezilele? Because remember, sihleli kwi-era where we have abo-state capture and we have ama-commissions angapheli about cartels that have taken over the purse of the state, and they are literally running impilo zama-politicians. So let me give you an example with ama-beret. So or aswayeka ama-beret esikhulume nobiza ama-green beans, ama-panyas. It took a very long time until manje sekuthiwa i-setending story mele futhi avalwe. So it simply means the men in blue and the authorities, they don't want to allow bayenze intake, by incubate, you understand, the very same crime fighters, because bagcine bababiza ngenye indlela instead of ukuthi bathi no labantu kahle bayiswa isikhata. What is the issue? Why kune stumbling block, kune friction between nina nizayo civilian security companies and but abokhata bafuna ukumecha nani nibasiza? Why? Because if by 240 something thousand kunama police station ay 1000 something in the country, clearly tina see 60 million plus. So amagama, these people are not enough. We are not capacitated. So what is that issue? Uhlala is a chairperson, so we are hlala na mapoisa. What are those problems? We want to know as a country.
Yeah. One, masingena ngo 204 or fixed elections, kuna limited zangishintsha. Remember, the apartheid system, make sure ukuthi izinto zivumela abelungu by then. So some of the laws ezikhona within zisenza ukuthi singakwazi or the system or le simo sikuso manje singakwazi ukuthi silungise izinto. Taking this example, police ngikhumbula sine meeting nethatha zonke eRampuni police station. They didn't know ukuthi AK47 iyathengiswa within South Africa. Now marabona basaphethe the old system to say there's no AK within South Africa. And bana lento ukuthi if we waboshwa we are not allowed ukusebenza namaphoyisa because of a criminal record. But remember uhambile wagwetshwa for lento yenzile so buyile manje you wanted to help because of you understand the system, you understand izinto ama criminals azenzayo, but now bona ezamaphoyisa don't say but when on a criminal record therefore awukwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukufaka within the system. Now kusho ukuthi the system esiphila kuyo ayisivumeli ukuthi sikwazi ukulwisana necrime and sikwazi ukuhlangana namaphoyisa because of the system. And the system is system yakudala but manje siku 2026 but we are still using the very same system apartheid. No one wants to change. Hence I'm saying politicians yibo kumele bahlale ukuthi bafethu phela icrime affecta thina I affect ukuthi we pose or one affect everyone within the system. And if thina sithi siyazimela like for instance lento kade kubuza 60 million mina ngihlala lokishini ngiyayibona anything yenzakala everything yenzakala lokishini if ngikwazi senza namaphoyisa ukuthi bafethu kunayi challenges khona let me arrest this person. But if mina ngenza into right and ngomngane lo muntu ongimbopha kumngane wephoyisa iphoyisa livalela mina mara I'm doing the right thing. Mara if ngibamba isigebengu dala semfuna phoyisa because maningi amaphoyisa banceda ngegebengu ashela ukuthi kusinesigebengu esisoso sesifunayo sivele simlandele nasimbele naphila then ushayela izandla mara the days bamba wakho umuntu akashayela izandla usifaka ama handcuffed. You see, but the system, I think the system yiyo kumele ichintshe is allow nathi sibe na powers esikwazi ukuthi you remember ngesikhathi selooting eDurban these Indian people baphumile baphethe ama rifle no one was saying anything but thina masiphethe ama rifle kuma kufuna ukwazi ukuthi ama rifle kahle kahle ayenzani aphuma kanjani aphuma ngabobani. So the system, if we change the system, if we have correct people up there to change the system, izosenza ukuthi sikwazi ukulwisana necrime and nathi sikwazi ukuba nama-powers because of mangivalela ngaphandle ukuthi mina nge-criminal record mara ngibona icrime yenzakala meaning I don't have a right ukubopha kumele ngitshele wena sepolice station mangitshele sepolice station akunamaveni mara mina I'm here. Yeah, that's a system.
Are you using the right protocols, the right channels, Nena, in terms of as far as the gun laws are concerned? Because lento akusinto nje sikhuluma ngegun gun yabulala igun yalimaza and we know that omunye umuntu kufana ukuthi igun uyithathile wayishiya recklessly ngenegligence yakho baphula iwindow lekar bayithatha igun abokhata into abazoyenza babopha wena because uyazi ukuthi isibhamu sihlale efikeni or sihlale safeini. So le ndaba yokushiya izinto unattended and also kunendaba yokuthi say I'll give you a very obvious example abantu abayibonayo. When you are looking at the protocol, preside over my BG president, these people angeke ubathole baphethe ama-gun visibly so isinoma kanjani. So what if the feeling now is you intimidate people? Why the guns 99? Because I want to know, we are teaching someone who doesn't know nothing about the issues of guns and the laws. I mean, abokhata sebabona bayifaka igun bayaliphatha rifle nani. So do you think banincisha leyo privilege nalawo ma right na? Because mayifakwe yini as civilians ningafanga impahla kana identity abantu abasazi between wena nepolice. Ngoba sometimes you are private. Nizifakele nje nina bogwede mantashe nizifakele impahla lezi nizigqokela zona ni. Because amagama sesiwanikezwe impahla or ama camouflage but people are saying we don't identify with these ones. We were told about the blue. Ngeke uvala umuntu ngoba we want to know ukuthi do you understand what are the laws of guns?
Yes, we understand the laws way back. In most cases, when we started, most of our guys they use a rifle or sports because of besingana security company. But isimo sasenza ukuthi manje uphethe your security uphethe your sports gun sisendlini criminal uyangena uphethe isibhamu ungenele endlini. Criminals don't apply those systems. They don't apply ukuthi ngiphethe isibhamu esenjani baphethe ibhamu ngana unlicensed firearm. Thina we have a licensed firearm but we are trying to defend isimo the cancer that we are facing. Ithi ngenza example we never a country nazange sicabanga indaba ye-COVID but ithe mayivele i-COVID there are a lot of changes sanqisha amalungelo wethu. Why can't the government change those systems manje because of sibhekane nesimo to fight crime? After the crime, then we come back again to say, bafethu, by the way, benenza into zero. That is why namhlanje ngibona ngicela into security, because of siyabona manje a lot of people now we're starting having our own securities ukuthi isibhamu kumele siphatheka so kumele kwenzakaleni. But the challenges now with the people out there, these criminals, uzothi uyangena ngesikhathi. I remember one of our member bakasebuhle park makathi ungena ile ntuzana any drug dealer akhipha isibhamu edubula since yabaleka ngesikhathi leso. So awukwazi ukungena nje phela isimo asivumi ukuthi siloku sima sibone kuyamoshakala, but the system and amaphoyisa needs to sit down nathi sibonise siyaphi. But umthetho vele usho kanjalo ukuthi ngeke ngene bathi umntwana oabuse ugogo wakhe sengiphethe irifle singangena. But at the same time it goes back again to say again umthetho awuvuma ukuthi ushiye irifle emotweni uphuma ngokuthi uyaphuma ushiye irifle bagijimisa. And remember thina singeni ngama shift ukuthi kungena ubani namhlanje sihamba sesitradini and sesinama criminals sesinama enemies within ama criminals ukuthi anytime angavela amsha komanda amandla nabo amdubulile angaphethanga irifle aku security company azambele. So everyone is fear for his life now, and I'm having something that is going to protect me ngibekile endlini, and the criminals are using into wrong bahambe estradini bayenza lento lezo. So as much as we are saying siyawazi umthetho webhamu, but at the same time isimo asikusho lokho.
You have so many cases every day, Okichimangazo Papati. I want you to paint a picture. Give us a number of cases. We are entering now into this episode because I wanted us to look at the left and the right so that yonke into sidiscuss ihleli phezu kwetafula ukuthi no kunama flaws ngapha kunama flaws. Mina I'm here to assist as a platform ukuthi if I am saying the men in blue or the said parties involved or the powers that be, can you please open some discussions? Let's go around the table and negotiate because you are overwhelmed. I mean, I'm one of the people, Opete, one of the biggest shows also in the country, a fighter, a crime. You end up being exposed. Because I know for a fact that you are angering the courts when you are touching abanye abantu. Whether lo muntu violate umntana omncane, whether lo muntu dubula abantu, whether lo muntu useka inkabi seka yini, for the fact that scheme ugijimisama most wanted, you become a person of interest egebengini, and then oqala wena seyijike kanjani because siyafika isikhathi la kuba ne wake up call ngoba nami ngokwami nginencosi na yonke lento na, and I can see ukuthi it affects i-movement yezinto, it affects also i-growth nje country, it affects issues zama finances. Yona le issue lesikhuluma ngayo and seyisekasi manje. So I want us to go back and talk to the people ukuthi what are the challenges that you are facing on a daily in terms as far as the crime is concerned. Kunabo issues zabo zonke izizwe siwazi kahle. You went nawe ufika kwenye indawo usalwisa into gender based nagupha isikali kwatholakala amathambo omuntu eminyango laphana yonke lenyakanyaka. We wanna know now so that people ba walk in your footsteps and know ukuthi labantu yazi bekahleli nje simbona afaka ama page lo muntu. These people are doing a lot. What are you doing, Bratum?
Yeah. Yeah, yabona lo mbuzo lo. One, ngizokutshela izinto ezenzakala kimi straight. 3, I remember being here Sentin as a gender-based violence ambassador. Now, this is uyamtshela ukuthi mfethu as I'm dating uguy eSentin. So this guy samela nginikeza imali yami, uguy uphethe ithombe zami ngimapona. So uguy akafuni ngemali yami uthi uzokhipha le thombe, yabona? So uyangitshela nje ukuthi uguy wenzani. Ngithi oh anyway, but ungitshela story. Ngithi ama nathi kesini sobona uguy sikwazi ukunceda because of what, as much as when I wanted assistance, but this thing is GPV.
Yeah.
We went there, uguy singamtholi la hlala khona. Ngishiya ama number ku security, ngibhale Duma from Thatha Zonke, ngiphume. Endleleni ngithola i-call. Mangithola i-call uguy mfethu ngizakuthi bongifuna, ngithi ya ungifunelani? Ngithi man unosisi la ubeka istory sakhe. So ngifuna understand how true is that, uyabona? According to sis, shoot une case ngale nto le. Athi angiyasazi the story ima kancane ngizokutshela. But siya driver sibuyele emuva. Ngithi mina it's fine. Ngithi mawuthi ngime kancane ngime la ngime khona athi no ima ungasamove ima khona lapho sizohlangana sharp. After a few minutes phone i-attorney yakhe. Mr. Duma ngizwa ubani bani athi uyamfuna so siyazi the case. Oh niyazi the case ukuthi ikhona i-case kahle hle the way unokhuluma ngakhona. Hayi no sisi unamanga usifunela isathe imali unento ngithi mina ngikwazi lokho mara ke senze njani. But no adu sePitori asimite police station Sentin police station. Ngithi hayi fair enough angithi asizange ubugebengu sharp fair enough sizo police station. After 2 hours bangifonele siye police station, mafika police station ngeme Sentin, hayi siyaqoka. Lucky enough lento ukuthanda ukukhuluma kune acting session command uyakhupha ukuthi engikhathele siyazixokela nje yabona. Ngithi angakunceda ama meeting wakho uyahleka uyakhuphuka. After isikhathinyana ngingena i-call ngiphumela ngaphandle ngihlangana abantu bangena phakathi ngiphendula i-call sekunomsindo ngale uyabona mangibuyele ephasejini lapha usester lo esize naye ukhombana nomunye usester engingamazi phakathi lapha yawona usile usester Robert yawona nisile ngithathela amadoda imali njani so mina I'm asking bafethu kwenzakalani manje usester size ngayo uthi ayi naba labantu laba abazila ngithi okay yasehlemo uphuthi nangu bhuti iphi loya lakho because uthe uzana loya uzazi ukwazi ukunderstand hayi alikho loya lami because of inamba yeloya bese ngiphethe ngimfone back loya uthe wena kumele la sohlangana epolice so kunomsindo la senza kanjani athi chiftisa lo muntu esayidini ngimchiftisa mfethu njengoba ngichiftisa sokwenzakalana athi no ngihamba nenye loya entsha into uthi uphethe nenye loya athi nalo mlethela sokhuluma lo athi mina ngifuna ukukhuluma hawu khona lapho sakhuluma now mangifumena ngaphandle kusingumsindo ngifumena ngaphandle ngifuna ukuexplain lo ukuthi mfethu la sokunomsindo mina understand uthe size la the next thing awukho sokunomsindo sengizwa manje amamember sesihamba nawo sabakhombana manje nabanye abantu phakathi phoyisa leli lithi hey phumana kuse police station lana phumani then ngibuyele phakathi ngiyabuza mfethu manje abantu baqoshwa kwenze njani athi police station ngithi mara sendaweni right kulami lesilungisa khona izinto police station mfethu within 3 minutes ngibuya sengitshela ukuthi nginelungelo ukuthi ngithole loya lami sengiyaboshwa ngiboshwelana bathi mina ngizibize ngephoyisa hey namhlolo ngithi mfethu ngizibiza ngephoyisa kanjani ngeze police station ngizibe ngephoyisa ngiyahlanya mina and ngithi ngize ngani kanti lo sesere simthola lapho iIO siza swe police station sabasiplanele ukuthi laba benza ngobugebengu sowabophisa ngiyabatshela mfethu mina le paper lengishiyela lapha ngibhala ukuthi nguduma thatha zonke selibhale duma thatha zonke subs sabalishintshile amaphoyisa sokuno subs sekuthiwa mina ngizolahlisiphoyisa umsebenzi ngavalelwa just like that. Case number 2 went to ezonke izizwe were busy fighting crime sibamba nye out masibamba le out lena ishonile out yakhona masiqeda ukubamba isitshela ukuthi behijack imoto ithi mina bafethu mina ngirape imoto njani sasiphethe nefoni yayo sabona efonini ukuthi ubani uthengisa imoto ubani imoto ezizothatha ubani mabakubambile kunalaba yakhona kwenye tavern bafike baswapping ekhadi lakho bona umnikazi tavern thatha 50% bona thatha 50% khona apha sithola out sithola ngerifle masithola ngerifle silithatha irifle ngoba sisezonke simshiye zonke police station ekseni masivuka akusena rifle police station haba mfethu sifuna case number ngasikade so bese ngajwayela ukuthi masikade ukuthola umuntu ama SAP 13 14 and stuff hawu akusena rifle kanjani bafethu ngoba sineshola umuntu
evidence
nalomuntu ungaphandle yeba mfethu nithini umuntu esimthole ngerifle right handed lucky enough we have pictures and stuff spethe information thatha that information new crime intelligence eJimmiston bafethu sine challenge na information yonke iphelele and the police that are involved amagama abonaba la 1 2 3 kuma police station abatshela amayigebengu ukuthi ningaphumi ngapha amaphoyisa kwenzakalani siyayishare that information bazobuya kithi till today sabuya kithi now again zonke izizwe sithola imoto bayihijack imoto labantu babaleka bagijimisiye bashiya imoto sithatha imoto sishiye zonke izizwe police station sishiya lapho obvious samane kucheck umnikazi wemoto bayihijack ukukwenzana njani siyamove the following day one of our member mabuya endleleni uhlakana nemoto phambana nemoto estradini hawu le moto akusiyo le mabafona babuza hey commander Duma imoto or commander abantu diamond imoto kanjani boss masifika police station imoto tshontshe police station phakathi but the question is batshontshe kanjani siphi isikhiya esishiye la police station sambe nesikhiya leyo moto. So those are the cases that frustrate you and you ask yourself ukuthi hey bafethu kanti le country sikuyo i country njani le kuba nezinto ezenzala ka so bese into zakhona ziphelele emoyeni you know. There's a new case at Eden Park ngihamba no chief siya patrolla lapha masipatrolla sithola izintwana ezithu zincane intwana lezi I think buma 16 17 ziphethe ama MMS siyazibona le one igwazeni intwana zigijimise masindlula udrive chief ngithi mina hey chief kwenzakalani lapha bathamba na intwana iphethe imese sizilandele shaya u10 masizilandele intwana isaphethe umese uyehla igazi lomese mara ivela izojika ekhoneni masibamba lentwana vele iphethe umese kwenzakalani sibambe nale enye kuvele le enye babegijimisa ithi hayi bakwazi umngane wami nangiwile lapha phansi umphakathi ubhekelele by then awusondeli ubhekelele sibambe lentwana sihambe sidlalise phansi ayimasichola le bayikwazile vele sifone ambulance le ntwana ngikutshela sifaka amabhandi zithi sinenyanga sifaka amabhandi like hey man nentwana zincane most lentwana lezi sifonele ambulance ifike ithathe lentwana ihambe sithatha lentwana manje sise police station umuntu police sispende more than 3 hours Eden Park simena police sitamve dozen la ngcono sihambe lapha la kuyobuya uJesse Mafini stokusimile la singene emotweni sise police station mafika police station hlangana uSister angazi ukuthi bakabushayile or uyazigulela angiphenye attitude sisi mamela siphethe abantu ugwazile sizibonele thina but no asimele i-victims ibuye esibhedlela mangashona lo muntu esibhedlela kuzoyenzakalani kuthiwa no keep phone station commander manje sine challenge la station commander no mvuleni case akathi nanibonile and siphethe nomunye umfana bamgwaze esandleni naye lethamba bagijimisa ngithi baba ithuba bagijimisa lo bamgwaze isandla sihamba naye uyasho nabo abantu le nawo nomeswabe semphethe epolice station sharp fair enough kube negurnyana wena by the way was no station command angiganye attitude ingasuka emphansi ke mangwase ngazo station command bayithathe lentwana ngibhala statement mangibhala statement ngihambe after 2 days lentwana ishona esibhedlela mayishona lucky enough ifamily lentwana izwile ukuthi bekhona zonke and bekhona uDuma bathola inamba yami saba se police station bangifonela mangifonela Colonel Dumba saka kupension ngiye lapha mangifika thiwa nibopha umuntu nabantu ukuthi sambopha mara idocket alethi libophile lithi umuntu uzilethile ngithi hayi bafethu ningazongitshela into le mina ngokwami yimi ngabhala statement nisho kanjani umuntu uzilethile because ngabhala statement now mase ngifunda statement lo phoyisa lo sifike samnikeza ubhala ukuthi labantu bazilethile mina sami statement engisibhalile ngaza ngasayinela asekho ku docket Eden Park police station ngithi bafethu kwenzakalani ngithi I cannot stop siyagijimisa lento bayigijimisa ngikutshela lentwana lezi bagcina masigayi bail sibalekile manje phoyisa lephethe case ngomlandelela ngimbuza Thempeti lento senzima mina bengingeke ayo lento manje sibhala ngithi mfethu mina into engitshela yona ifamily nomfana nayi la nomuntu ushonile ugwaza ubani esibabophile nina nabayeka labantu laba nathi bafaka nge-GBH sokemeda manje bathole bail babalekile so thina senze njani you see any case sibopha ezinye intwana ke bopha izintwana obvious mobhalisile bathi hayi kumele ubhalise information yakho the very same information yakho bayithatha bayinikeza igebengu by the way thina awufunwa yithi singamaphoyisa ufuna uDuma na information yakhe nama cell number wakhe na address yakhe police that we are living but not all of them those that are corrupt abakwazi ukwenza lama system wabo now sibamba umuntu ama drugs makade umbamba umuntu ama drugs makafika police station iphoyisa advise ukuthi hayi wena ungalokuthi batshela ukuthi wena bafikile uDuma ukukhomba ngesibhamu tshela iphoyisa straight utshela ukukhomba uDuma ukhombe ngesibhamu uDuma wenza 1 2 3 4 5 so it's kuningi the last 2 cases engikutshela ngazo same Eden Park futhi Eden Park enye intwana besetshwana hamba noSister wayo maye bamuva lentwana bayigwaza bamqedile igwaza labantu babaleka Sister yabaza abantu bayigwazile intwana ihamba la lesibhedlela mawavula icase bathi asemele umuntu abuye esibhedlela kwenzalana untwana ahlale man angisakhumbule plus minus 3 months ahlele esibhedlela makaphuma untwana esibhedlela Thera Mkhwerane untwana sakabuyile sekuhleli phansi kakhulunywa kwenzalana sekumele hamba uvula icase manje ukuthi awubani bamgwazile ukwenzakalana wenzana kuthiwa no ivula icase ayivule kusokufuneka ifile asesibhedlela ifile alisekho ku system akasavelile bakakhona esibhedlela manje now i-challenge sokuthiwa bafethu mara kanjani ngomuntu ulele esibhedlela senisho kanjani ukuthi lo muntu akalelanga esibhedlela sekumele kuzokuliwe before kuzokubula idocket izibuya manje bayilungisa you know so we having a challenge ngabantu aba-corrupt abangafuni ukusibona by the way amaphoyisa asilwisayo ilabo abenefitayo kuzo zonke lento lezi iphoyisa mali straight bakhona amaphoyisa straight avela sheda abantu makusoka kwenze 1 2 3 not within us I remember kuthatha zonke besinenye member le member lena masigijimisa igebengu ngoba usegroupini bakwazi ukubona I want them man sibone man kunento man yenzakalayo la awasicela sama sibophe member sayinikeza subs the very same members bathenga case kuba subs the very same members yasezonke case yakho so you ask yourself ukuthi hey bafethu as much as you are willing to help the communities as much as you are willing to help the country but we are having with this devil emile eblockile engafuni izinto zenzakala because of somebody you benefit I'm telling you kunabanye amaphoyisa athengisela ama drug dealers beza ngemoto bafike badeliver ama drug dealers ama drugs so how are we going to fight this crime if kunabantu abenza izinto ezimbi ngalendlela lena
but we have I would say departments yebo as according to the structure sabo khata where kunabo covert operation and then kune crime intelligence, abo SVC. So all of these components, they are responsible in their own designation ukuthi preside over certain, specialized crimes. Let's take, for instance, we are talking about informants, impimpi. Impimpi, they are protected and they are paid as in every month. Yeah, yohola. That is why bazibukela ama-penthouse, bazibukela yonke lento. So kwalaphi kahle kahle manje papati ukuthi kube naleyo system ecreatewayo ukuthi nani so that you are held accountable and responsible ngoba kunenkomba-nkombano. Why is there a blank space? I want us to identify this gray area. Where is this blind spot and what is this gray area? Eyenza ukuthi ngoma because lento zikhulumayo, they are evident enough. And abanye bakhona, we will never witness justice. South Africans, icase abayivuli nokuyivula. Umuntu ubanje inkunzi kwenzakalela vela tayo into ekhona kuyophenduka mina kube ngathi ngicriminal la.
Yeah. Where is witness D namhlanje? And do you think after lento ezenzakala ekhanda ukhona umuntu azofuna ukuya phambili afika khuluma? Mina I remember any journalist engibuza ku funeral ka Witness D ukuthi wena Duma manje awusabi ngathi look wena manje uloku journalist asazi mophumala kuzenzakalana. Mina sengifike ngiphila because of sengicabanga nabantwana bami ukuthi khona umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi sikhulumene. Because I know ukuthi khona vele oshela ukuthi alo sijwala kabi. Khona phosa vele angangifuni. Angifuneni ukuthi ngenze into ezi right. Khona lo akuthi nokuhlala umuntu esikadini akutshela ukuthi hey Duma ngihambelana negazi lakhe angimthandi. Angakwazi vele ongasemntana kini angakuthandi. So it's possible ukwenza kanjalo. So people sabasaba. If lento ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi bababeka ama-penthouse babeke kuphi where is Witness D? Singababala ukuyemuva baningi. So that is why ekhanda wonke umsakasaba because of uyazi by the time ngithi ngikhuluma into so ivele ibhekana nawe straight bese yashaya nefamily yakho mina kumanje family namhlanje ithukile ukuthi wena sibona ama TV kwenzakalani but ekugcineni noma ngibone TV somebody was travel imoto yakhe bamdubula bamhijacker somebody unemali yakhe bamthathela imali bayitransfer sithulile siyakhuluma kuyafana.
So asingene because I know that Witness D uTeshile very close now. I know it's a very sensitive case, but gune issue yamazamazama. I don't want to take it too far. Mina as an external force and a structure is established on the basis of protecting the interest of the community because it affects the very same well-being of abantu abahlala lapha. Khona Moses Springs khona ama-mine la kusifera even eJohannesburg la uyazi ukuthi sihamba kunemigodi la ngaphansi. That's why but it's a city of gold. Le issue yamazamazama, how deep is that operation?
Yeah, Witness D ngihlangane naye kule company enguyo iNSL. Security company because of remember when you dealing ama issues wama not zamazama per se more dealing ama issues wase mine or the company ngisho ukuthi awuvele uzingenele because of that yard belongs to somebody and it's a company. You cannot just go when uthi operation yakho. You need to umnikazi we company boy show ukuthi bafethu I'm having a challenge endaweni so can you therefore come and assist us. So masifika lapha it's when we met Witness D. Obviously we are moving even nalapho where the challenge masifika kunomgodinyana lapha umgodi asothole kahle okwenzakalani nabantu badubula thina ngabe side bathi masingena umuntu within the yard white person to say hey indawo yami la ngibanga umsebenzi but abantu basidubula balapha and bangena lapha kumele senzani sime sikokotele sikubuse sikufonele sikutshela ukuthi kune challenge but you know issues ezamazama those are the sensitive issues because of these people if unama rights okumayina phezulu bese khona abantu abazimanelayo ngaphansi. Now the very same people abayimana ngaphansi mayikhipha lento bayithengisela abantu. If mina nginabantu abayi-15 angithi mina kahle kahle akusamara anginama rights ngaphansi but mina ngimayina phezulu. Now these people uma banginikeza lezi zinto mina ngithola cheaper akunaliba kumele ngibhadale you know but somebody is benefiting. Kunomunye umgodi la sasingene kuwo recently lapha nabo Witness D and lentana masibambile athi hayi lo mgodi wa station command uyahola la. So who are you to go and fight amazamazama if there's someone olapha ya uholayo othola lento leyo? But now, and that person, ngeke uzumthatha umfake police, go and talk about this. Because umisa ku very same police station. Now, 7 billion, I cannot, but I can tell you. Somehow, uthola ukuthi abantu bamamine, kwabona, bayazi ukuthi kunabantu abayenzayo. Bese maybe umuntu ecasha abantu abayi-100, sekacasha abantu abayi-20. Laba 8 akasababhadali. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi sekathola igold mahhala. And uyazi ukuthi le gold masakayithola ithola cheaper. Yena uyachubeka. And by the way, uhlala overseas. Ukuthi kwenzakalani country it doesn't care. So issue yamazama it's a deep thing. But to go back ku lentuzana ku Marius. By the way, Marius nini before a weekend mazoshona we Friday, washona Friday if I'm not mistaken. So sesiyachayisa ke siyaphuma siphuma uthi kimi ngibambe intwana eTempethu kunabantu abalapha and badubula lapha ya badubula ya hayi siyahamba ke sesiyachayisa sifika sibika lentwana lena la siyangena kulomgodi hayi enini khali gana khali ekhe ayizwe khali ekhe ngaphansi now makulo khali ekhe ngiyamuva ngiyamtshela into ungasondeli kakhulu abantu bazokudubula hayi ashintsha magazine athi yezona abashintsha magazine shuthi ame kwesinistina so makama le bar lena ngazi iyashaya shuthi le bullet lashaya la le concrete ame kuyo yashaya la lento le waphuma igazi ugijima soza phezulu kimi uthi bangidubula inhloko manje ngihlekisa ukuthi man ekhe ngakushaya inhloko useza kimi uyamemeza uyabona uyakhuphuka manje dumale shoot that measure ngithi hey wait wena angithi mina lami ngibheke khona ngibone makuphuma ispark somlilo yabona kanti bashaya istina nayi vele intuzana ngimtshela iTempethu la kwi-flop bese mina ngiyazikhulumela naye ngithi man wena uzofa la athathe mamela mina ngiyamazama ngibulani but into engiyaziyo ukuthi madlanga because bakaphapha nje makhulu the madlanga one that one that are going to kill me but obviously bakakhuluma I don't know why I was saying that then after 2 days nyana besangitshela ukuthi emfethu azikunemoto la enokuma la mara ngitholi kahle ngithi emfethu you need to change location because of ungayi ukuthi uhlala uphethe isibhamu kwenzana if lento uyayibona you need to report it kanti bazomshaya so yeah so ngikhuluma naye ngagcina ukukhuluma naye kwi-Thursday njengoba mshaya kwi-Friday if I'm not mistaken but the day before ngangikhuluma naye njengoba bazomshaya
I think it deep ngamanye amagama if nina niphatha ibhamu kanje you are not safe. What about civilians, ordinary citizens? Ba vulnerable ke to anything ekona yenzakala. So asike sikhulume ngesource Braduma. Who is the source yalento or an enabler? Because I remember when we talk about our political parties now, they tell you straight they are formed on the basis of lies. Amanye are funded by the biggest underground or underworld. So labantu zobathinta kanjani ngoba nabo bayenziswa noma bangasafuni. So njengoba nihlelini la nikhulumisana mana amajita don't you think ukuthi manje it's about time for you to be mhlambe more visible in terms of politics because these are people abathatha inqumo eziphezulu and yibo labantu abangakhona ukuchange all the systems because they've got that political will. Bahlala ama-members of the mayoral committee. That's when izinto zigazethwa khona. So nina ninamandla nani kuhlala ukuba laphana ne-firepower but you can't change izinto ukuthi abantu bakhona ukuyibona lento. And the only thing ukuthi nikhulume kanje kuma-platforms mara you becoming victims because now you are irritating other people.
Yeah. Yabona ishe politics iba sensitive ngendlela ukuthi within us izigcina sesidivide when you find yourself maku politics. I was explaining to my members yesterday by the way uXolani he went to court because of mina ngazi se police station iqala then the police said that lifuna noXolani lifuna nomunye accused ngathi mina mfethu kahle mina ngisingiphosa ukuncedisa uthole labantu but because of ukuthi uyamfuna uXolani mekhuluma naye uXolani by the way is KZN fast forward uXolani uzisile police station izolo but now the challenge is that uXolani within his organization yes izomsupport now for somebody uhleli lapha ya or abanye abantu bafeel ukuthi man yini ngaXolani sekenza icampaign manje ngalento uyabona mara he had a plan like what lento ishow ukuthi bafethu doesn't la lento ngeke siwin but the only way ukuthi sisithole siphakathi ku politics so that we change these things as we speak snow Khabo remember ithatha zonke we chairperson eMayibuye eKuruleni now you know not because of we wanted to take abanye abantu ngaphandle, but because of we are frustrated. Now we're trying ama-angles mara ekugcineni because of ours. If crime iyastopa, if corruption iyastopa, then kahlala sikho politics, you know. And even Kolan told me to as a chairperson of Gauteng, young compromise at this time because of people feel ukuthi I'm supporting, but I understand where you're coming from because of we are frustrated. Case you don't understand. And by the way, I'm a case because I'm a case of people of South Africa that are complaining about the drugs. So mara still no one that by the way, right. We need to support him. Now we end up sagangena politics. He's not a politician, by the way, but yena umuntu ofuna ukubona ushintsho ku-issue ama-drugs. But at the same time, if mamgijimisa naye sakafisa ngathi hey bafethu ithi ngibalekele la, maybe ngizoba ngcono mangena lapha. But we are human beings. Sometimes you're doing the wrong thing, sometimes the right thing. Sino Commander Mchacho uyi-chairperson naye within ekuruleni ukuthatha zonke MK party. You know, we have former MMC human settlement umpia ukhona uthatha zonke. Kusho ukuthi we are trying to push so that people understand and trying to change. It's a pity ukuthi asakwazi ukuchange some of the laws. We can change maybe bylaws, but there are laws that ekumele sisichinje or sifaka abantu sazi ukuthi bafethu kahle si-country sikhala ngani, sikhala ngama-drugs, sikhala corruption, abantu abasebenzi. What is it that you're going to help us kule nto lezo thina we can support in everything that we are doing? But obviously politics, everyone wants to join iphatha feel ukuthi iphatha ezomkwazi ukumnceda, but thina as Gauteng we are not politicians. Nami I belong to a certain organization, but I don't go there ngikhulume ngento ze-politics, but ngiya lapha ngikhuluma as a Gauteng. Politics ngidlala politics, but uyangithi yabazi abantu umuntu aloku ayi-politician or umuntu thole ukuthi nasesontweni yenzakala umuntu because of ukashonela let's say kushoniwe esontweni bese bathi ayiduma cela uye lapha usho umshaye umthandazo. Mangifika lapha ngishiya umthandazo sengibona kahle sengwaba umfundisi manje ngoba ngingashiya umthandazo yabo sengifuna ukukhipha umfundisi manje esontweni manje, but hey upastor Duma uyayibeka umfundisi siyayizwa into yakhe mara makhulu umduma uDuma uyayibeka. So naku politics zakhona zenza kanjani, nakuma crime fighters bakhona abenza kanjani, abanye sabakwatela ukuthi hey sibone iphathe thize igqwele, but they are supporting umuntu wabo. And as a Gauteng chairperson ngithini mina, don't support member yenu. I don't have those right. Mara ngiyamtshela ukuthi when we talk about issues the crime fighters, you don't bring your politics, but there baye politics yabo iphathe yabo ize because of they are supporting mayoral candidate yabo, and they have their own right. So angikwazi ukubastop, but ngizobastopa mama interfere kwinto zethu. And if akhuluma statement siku Gauteng anti-crime unit akhuluma statement that speaks to Action SA, then it becomes a challenge. But now ungena ngeXolani Foundation akangenanga Action SA within Gauteng anti-crime unit.
Yes. I supported the movement here, Bratuma. I remember many months back I came ngafaka amandlanyana amancane now, but I realized into eziningi ukuthi man kune conflict of interest. Ama out nje jealousy would always, you know, ezinye izinto ne success it breeds jealousy. And kwesinye isikhathi mhlambe even the style of leadership as funny, yabo kunomunye umuntu othi no mina I want to lead from behind. I've never seen of late uDr Ivan Khoza ahlele stadium Maria Rane Orlando Pirates, and then mawukhuluma ngetime uthe man i-Kaizer Chiefs iloku yayimuvele yayiphilela, but i-time number 1 asimbone stadium. So it's not about always mawe leader, you must always be visible and then leading from the front, but kunabantu abangakhona ukuthi bayidlale from a move. I came to Ratanda, you launched another structure. I went to Mpumalanga and your launcher because I am a crime fighter myself and I understand the importance. Yabo zokuthi a country that is fluid as ours, we are under siege. Iyaphetha lento kuzomela nami ngidlale a role. Now there are people who wants to join and there are people who really wants to make a difference. But they are not convinced because basaba yona lento ukuthi hey mfethu siyazazi lezi ndlela ezithengisa yonke lento wrong esikhuluma ngayo mara siyasaba. So they need your motivation. How do we encourage and motivate those, Bratuma, to say guys lento le kahle kahle it's a societal responsibility, akusinto yakaduma kuphela?
Not true. Noma ngiquote kahle the verse ukuthi ubani kanjani, but I remember there were guys bebagula phethe isifo thizeni lithi iBhayibheli mophethe lesifo lesi bakuqosha ukuthi hambani nohlala kuphi ningabi phambi kwabantu, then bahamba. But now isikhathi masiloku sihamba bayalamba labantu abakhona uthola ukudla because bakuthola emphakathini bakubulala. Now umunye uthi bafethu asameni sifuna ukudla phakathi, but hey masiyala bazosibulala labantu. What lona kusizani ukuthi ngihleli la ngife ngibulala indlala nokuthi ngihambe ngiyozama ngithola ukudla then maybe ngaba sharp. You see, by the time I think lo muntu makabuyela phakathi wahlangana noJesu then waphona. Now people bane fear of unknown. By the way, fear is a sickness. Once wathuka uthukele into but ukhohle ukuthi kusho ukuthi abantu abasabayo some I'm sorry to use this word kusho they are selfish because bacabangela bona ukuthi mina ngakwazi ukuthi ngawubhema drugs. But how about your child? How about your brother? How about umntwana kamakhelwane? What are we saying? How about the culture esikhulile kuyo ukuthi inhlonipho that's number one. You see, so we like it or not ngesikhathi apartheid amabhunu wayiphatha ibhamu amabhunu anama-right ukuphatha ibhamu silwa ngamatshe petrol bomb sayinqoba umuso wama-apartheid sitoku singanama-rights manje sinama-rights siyakwazi into esiyifunayo siyayibona into wrong. So there's no need again ukuthi uzuphathe isibhamu to fight crime. There are a lot of things that we can do. Have these young ones and talk to them, encourage them. Khona manje sine challenge yabantwana bekole ama gangsterism. Amapantsula abaphatha amaphanga, bandlule ngaphama, amaphanga moshayilo uyahamba wenzani and again amaphosa nomathayaya kuthiwa amaphosa ngikhipela abantwana amaphanga, abantu abaphethe amaphanga ibhamu. So kumele basiphatha amasakaduku manje amaphosa ukuthi hey bantwana peace. Those are the challenges that we are facing, you know. But people South Africans needs to know ukuthi we need their support. I was arrested not because of being papa or ngifuna ukuvela TV, but I was arrested because of ngibona there's a need ukuthi sincede South African because of young people are dying because of drugs. Young people are joining gangsterism because of the pressure that abayifilayo within ezindlini. And if ngihleli lapha ngibhekelela kusho ukuthi nami ngiyafana nomuntu oyenza that crime because of I see the crime but I'm not reporting, I'm not fighting, ngiyazithulela. So kuba nento ethi we must try and fail but not fail to try. If singafuni ukusho ukuthi asifuni ukuzama, but we need to change. That is why we try again to check with politics wise masingathi siyakazisa la kuzoyenzakalani. You know, at the same time that doesn't stop us to fight crime. That doesn't stop us to recruit people. That doesn't stop us to work with police. There are good policemen out there, top policemen that are willing to help us. Abahlala nabo phansi. Thina ours is to say, police, kahle kahle, we are not in the competition. We are there to help you. Thina sitsheleni sigayideni. That is why noma besiboshiwe kunenye video bengifake lapha. I was addressing police to say bafethu akumelanga kungene any crime fighter aseshe samba namaphoyisa. This operation illeader amaphoyisa. We don't encourage people bahambe bazenza operation wabo without informing ama-commanders wabo, without informing amaphoyisa because of kusasa iyajika ibhenga kubo. But namhlanje sisithola sengibehind bars ngilokhu iprotocol ngiyilandela. But into zakhona ngithi usathane bathi isono sifana nesithunzi la uhamba khona isithunzi sakho zakulandela. So nesono sihlala sekulandela nama-challenge ahlala kulandela.
Asivale nge-city where you are coming from, the city of Ekurhuleni. Do we still have the EMPDs Ekurhuleni? I'll tell you why I'm saying that, and I'm not undermining the authority. And mhlawumbe ngikhulumela bona labantu ababhayizisekayo, their backs are against the wall. I'm not talking about sibona i-leader yabo iku-commission. I'm talking about the night shift. Ekurhuleni ungahamba yonke indawo, JMPD, mawuhambe ebusuku la, i-blue light wire mawuhamba nge-bridge Harrow Road, JMPD is visible. Sikhuluma nge-visible policing. So do we still have a night shift kuma EMPD Ekurhuleni?
Angikhumbuli ngibona ngazi ukuthi kune night shift ngegama maybe angena ngo2 bese ngizwa kancane nginenhlanhla because majority abangani bami ama EMPD bese uzwa wathi umuntu ku standby. Angazi ukuthi ebusuku night shift yabe standby, but ngibona ngathi night shift EMPD iba ku standby ebusuku. Angibabona endleleni. I don't know ukuthi what are the reasons for them, but ngaleso sikhathi leso unokubona nje event endlula, but angikhumbuli lemile nona there's operation Shanyela la mele bebe khona then bakwazi ukusebenza, but nje ukuthi ngiyazidlulela angikhumbuli nona lesike ngisuka ngidlula ecimezile or ngibheka ifone azange sabona ngandlula ngebhadi bami estradini or bahamba ngemoto esifana nezithi ezingekho branded mara bayenza umsebenzi maybe kunjalo, but angikhumbuli ngibona la ebusuku kushaya u10 ebusuku masiphathu lakho sihamba thina ebusuku angikhumbuli ngibona but obvious banama reasons wabo why not or banama reasons wabo ukuthi why or basebenza sekunama camera upanyazo wafakile maybe babheka ama camera kupanyazo ukuthi ebusuku kwenzakalani bathenda makunjani but I cannot tell you ukuthi wenzani
ubabekele kamnandi papa D uyazwakala ukuthi uthatha umkhabulo ukuthi hayi no bafethu samukhwera kisaka so you are protecting iplaza lenu as security but honestly speaking I think the answer is a no because you are working 24/7 and we are talking about people abafaka uniform you can't miss them bralunga one day mhlambe ngizakubiza uhlale phansi and uhlala uinterview abantu la and you can see things that are happening so ebusuku ikhona into ekuthiwa accident sibonile lana izingane zesikolo coming a very sad ending story in the country that we're facing abantwana evala so if we are talking about issue yangabe kuruleni kusho ukuthi asina accident thina ekuruleni kuthi abantu bachayisile bagubudile emhlangeni lapha ngathi kunemfene or kunenyoka abantu bawela every day lapha akunalanga lamahala so mawuthi awukho sure ngayo mhlambe yiso leso standby is it because of capacity so I so wish one of the executives and the powers that be someone who's able to come to the platform this is an invite to you abantu basekuruleni they want to know if sinawo yini amaphoyisa lawa because I'm not talking about the men in blue lento yenu yama bylaws okokuqala manje umuntu uyashada tende phakathi kwestrata agubhe afake ama-pegs estradeni kusale kunama-pothole laphana dewe kunganamthetho ngakhona ngayile ekasi lethu ke lihlangahlangene ku-West Chief la ngisebenza ngakhona kule building just around the corner kunokuthiwa nje kunento angiyazi lento roadblock or stop and search or in bama ngemoto engekho marked ekungasiya ama traffic cop bayiphethela itikiti mina I take it laphana kusho ukuthi abantu bayicrevelela ukwenziwana uma kanjani umiswa abantu abasana ama uniform labantu nani kunenkinga lapha kule ndaba ye-EMPD and I'm not saying mhlambe I'm blowing or tweeting a horn or it's a tip off but I'm just saying because I'm a concerned citizen perhaps lento kungavele kwehle i-leadership lephezulu yozuma ngoba ngibuza wena usebenza nabo la estradeni yes ama freeways yababona every now and then but maziqala zinje kwashaya nje o7-8 angisayiboni imoto ethi EMPD estradeni I might be wrong and stand to be corrected one day. I'm speaking under correction. But ever since ngihamba ngi up and down, okay angisekho emaklabhini. Mhlambe ke yilo ukuthi angiye emaklabhini. Mara nina ke number every day ngoba niya patrol. Kube mhlambe ngabe niyababona labantu. Asivale Braduma ngifuna sike xwayisa abantu kune issue enkulu ePlaini. Esibiza i-kidnapping manje eseyenzakala. Kuphume icrime engayazi. I don't want to quote a country and then or a state kusasa babuya abantu base Nigeria bathi awudlento kahlahle emanate from la Nigeria usithatha kanjani but ama crimes esiwazi ukuthi hayi le Ethiopia bathi style sakhona sifikile sila in the shores of South Africa ba kidnapwa every day abantu and makafika umunye sebamnqamla imibhonsi omunye abaningi batholakala bangaphili le crime Braduma hobani and then abantu futhi bese uyabaxwayisa ukuthi uxwaya kanjani fana uthi uhamba uyomitana netrend ozithole kuma Facebook nani kusasa bacuya what happens and umuntu usafara kanjani mabake bamthola sebathi bamkidnapile yini le crime ibuyapi
yeah I crime each and every time iba nendlela yayo yokushintsha leyo abantu bayenza kakhona icrime qani bokuhijacka kube simple mabakubambile mabona ikhadi lakho bakhiphela imali then kuyaphela but manje sekukhona le manje ukuthi bayakubamba and okubhlungu bakufake khaboduma lapho kunogogo ozokunakekela wayibona amabhizi ngamakhadi wakho ba transfera bayenzeni but ithi ngiqalelo nakaso le ntwana ezincane lezi ezibhema ama drugs
yeah
fika umuntu azivulisa ama account market kuzivulisa ama account athathe le ma account nama card wazo nama pin and everything azipha ama 500 zijabula ukuthi zihamba ziyobhema then makaqeda lawo ma account kuzoma skeleton kusho ukuthi mababamba uchief bamvulisa ifone bamkhombisa uchief yabheka babona kunemali engaka enye imali bayitransfera kulama skeletons account wala bafana laba ababathathile now again bese baya kulezi zinto lezi kwazi ukuthi hlala uduma lapha akasena abazali ngathi uyahlupheka bafike bafaka imoto khona bafake lo muntu bafike bambeke kahle bamnikeza ukudla namajasekasi ke ayeyenza manje seyijona amajasekasi straight we arrested abanye baloku bayaphuma abanye bayenzani abanye baphakathi but lucky enough amaphoyisa asebenzisana nawo abagqina bangatholi nebail. Now these people makade ukuvalela phakathi then bese-ke bakutransferisa imali kwenzani kwenzakaleni. Mara manje i-challenge sinayo esingakwazi ukuyithola kahle ukuthi abathuli noma ubani once wathola imali yakhe ref or wapenshina or kwenzakalani bathaketha labantu. Now umuntu bakadlale i-sports ntontoni ubambile bamthaketha. Now the question is bayithola kanjani that information? Sacakeke lapho bayithola kanjani information? Maybe because of people are sharing ukuthi ngibambile izolo ngene ngento so maybe I'm not quite sure. Nasezindlini. So we always tell abantu ukuthi asikekele ukukhula ukubatshela nabantwana. Kwenye case asethokoza bese attenda ugogo nomkhulu baya kupension banemali kwafika abantu bakhomba ngebhamu bathathile imali bayenzani all to find out abashana yibo izizukulu izikhipha inamba zaletha igebengu because of bafuna ukuzithola bakusezingeni ukuthi baku standard party phone thizeni igama elithizeni. So enye enziwa within endlini phakathi enye siyasola ukuthi maybe kunesandla semfene emabhenki. Enye yenza ukuthi uDuma vele mangane izinto siyambona imani uDuma washintsha manje wenzani so asikatholi kahle hle but kunabo mastermind abakwenzayo lokho. Omunye samvalela basamgqinile police station Boksburg. Then sekunesinstyle futhi abasenzayo manje bakulanda emsebenzini bazenza ngathi amaphoyisa abafika singabo sergeant bani baphethe nama appointment card bayithi kancane bayiveze ubona ngathi appointment card kanti akusiyo bakutshele ukuthi kune case imoto yakho uchayise kuphi sicela police station Albertine makuba seduze neAlbertine. I'm just making an example ngepolice station ungene emotweni mafika bakuchintshela ibhamu bakuthathela imali lana bangene amaphoyisa bazokufuna or bangene ejardini yenzakala ebuthilongo elentuzana ebuthilongo esibhedlela bafuna i-doctor mayiphuma bathi imoto yakhe ichayisile i-doctor mina nini bathi ayasambe sizokhuluma epolice station hayi nama-security bavulela igebengu angithi abazi bayaphuma wafika endleleni bamthatha umuntu bamkhiphisa imali. Iyenzeka nase-Alroad umunye ubaba naye bamlande e-Alroad emsebenzini bamenza same thing baphuma nababa bamvalela lapha kaSikhumane emathuneni bamtransferisa imali bayenzani. So kuba nzima because of these fake police or sometimes akhona amaphoyisa anokuboshwa nawo yenza lento leyo, sometimes ama crime fighters akwenza lokho, sometimes family members abakwenzayo lokho. So we are trying to check. So we always share umphakathi ukuthi man lento zokujabulela ukuthi seba nama app emafonini kwenzana but I like bank thizeni engibhenka nayo. I was transferring imali day before they komunye umuntu ebusuku. So this guy mangimtransfer imali bayikublock i-account because bekusebusuku. Then bangibiza uDoza la ngahamba bathi le mali iphuma kanjani ngabathi hayi man benginikeza lo muntu so bathi yabona. So bank now amanye bank ngathi angayithatha lento to check ukuthi ngempela la ukhona isimo sakho senjani uyabona usafe kangakanani siyayibamba kancane nemali so that kusasa uyabona nathi sizameni ukuthi yes khona isidingo sokuthi uma 1000 2000 ebusuku because maybe umuthe enkingeni but if you transfer imali esifana uma 40000 50000 ebusuku bank needs to say hey bafethu kanjani ithi sifreeze le mali because we don't understand ukuthi why umuntu ebusuku. There's nothing wrong nathi asijwayezeni nanto angithi ne-COVID sajwayela into esingayijwayelanga. So namanje sijwayeleni ukuthi ukutransfer imali ebusuku it is a challenge, more especially isam lansam engathi bankulu kanyana because isinikeza challenge kanti bakubambile ngasikhathi leso imali maseyiphelile. So yeah iba kanjalo lesho.
All right, uthache kakhulu indaba yama substances braduma. So this is how we wrap up this episode and ngifisa ngathi singayenza lento kube i-series every quarter uyabuya. This was a very knowledgeable, and eye-opening episode where you dished out to the community ukuthi senizozikhethela nayi buffet le inkinga lezi zivela so let's wrap with the issues of gender-based violence. I know ukuthi kune conversation equbukayo in the country to say ezinye these are concocted charges. Lento le akusi GBV le lona bekafuna ukuyothesha kwaphambane intambo ngoba sekafuna imali eningi ekseni then yajika lento yaba iGBV. Then ungakhohlwa ke ukufaka indaba yecourt obuya kuyo iPalmridge. Kunabangani bami abaningi lapha. I've got people, I owned a nightclub before none. So you build relationships, you create, relationships makuloku isikhathi. So mara bayatyholwa njalo kunokhonjwa kuthiwe hey kunabantu ekwaziwa amagama abazula everywhere mhlambe labantu bakhulunywa kabi bamoshelwa ireputation ngendaba yokuthi icala vele kwamampela alinayo i-weight and then lecala malichithwa kuthiwa ya control prosecutor full of nonsense, prosecutor full of nonsense, uyangithola. So let's talk about the GPV aspect seyiphelele yonke ukuthi nama preventative measures but ordinarily akhona initially ama cases vele wabona nola vele showcase but also kunabantu abahlele emajele bathi thina senzanga next. I want us to be balanced, singabi biased must address ama issues. Over to you Bratum.
Yeah, issues ze-GPV. I believe ukuthi i-foundation yethu yabona mawakha indlu uyakha indlu with the foundation abantu bayinqoma indlu maseyinhle. But the day amabonda awa izazi ziyeza check with foundation how strong was the foundation. I believe ukuthi ishe GPV si country sikhe phezulu because of sibona izinto ezenzakalayo. Obvious criminals where there's challenges, there's opportunities everywhere. Now, people basebenzisa lento ukuthi by the way abo sisters singayenza imali ngalento because of i-country manje siyayibona lento ukuthi into enzakalayo. I'm not saying there's no GPV. There's a GPV. There's cases zamampela. But abanye basebenzisa this opportunity ukuthi kwazi ukuba benefita bona. Abanye bayenza within nabantu aba-corrupt. It can be a phoyisa, can be ma-court, can be crime fighters. To say marusbanibane sivumelene. And labo sister namanye ama-out uyenza sakudlala. Athi ithingenza example. I'm a chairperson of Gauteng Anti-Crime Unit. If kwenzakala ukuthi kuba ne-misunderstanding nonkosikazi wami, one day she will say, yeah, wena ngithi uyazi noma ngeke bangikholwa ngoba wena uyi-chairperson. But uzwa say statement asilwa senze next or maybe siyacabana and uyazi ngiphathe isibhamu esinjani. Yeah, khona manje ngizoswe ngento police station asithi maybe ngibhaqe ngizwana na somebody but she'll use that against me to say by the way wena ungikhombe ngesibhamu ngoba yasazi isibhamu police station mayimbuza unesibhamu esinjani yasiveza isibhamu and nase police station they are trying by all means manizwana asike sihlani phansi ukwazi ukuyilungisa because bayibona nabo ukuthi bafethu abantu abaningi bagwetshwa into engekho because of these people ababona i-challenge bayenze i-opportunity for bona and bese kukhona nama-coaching ke bamtshela ukuthi hayi mina ngu-chairperson eGauteng Anti-Crime uwenzeni umuntu uyahlanya lo and bathi ngathi unemali bathi uvukile hayi lala naye mawuvuka sothi rape seseni mangavuka bathi amavuso ade ngicela amavuso wami imfethu ungifuna 30,000 kanjani mfethu imali angiyitholi noma ngibonasile mara uyayifuna hayi mfana ujike police station just because of i-chairperson eGauteng Anti-Crime Unit sengiyakumashonisa manje ngiyoshona kokugcina ngiyoboleka imali for somebody ofuna ukungiqindezela ngento engekho. So it's unfortunately asinabafundisa kwabaprofit abangahlala phansi bayibekela ukuthi wena unamanga wena uneqiniso and mayifika police station bangayibeka amaphoyisa anozama by all means ukuthi bazame bayilungise but umuntu makathi ilungelo lami leli ngiyayenza lento now okubhlungu sojike court sometimes the case yakhona angayilandi mase ifika ku final saka withdrawile mara wena impilo yakhe azange withdraw since loke mail and by the way each and every time when you appearing we are paying ilo yakho uyabhadala njalo we end up also spend uma 40,000 ngento engekho ngenxa somebody bakafuna so abanye amafethu bagcina sebayikhipha le mali because uyatshela ukuthi igama lami yabona ngoduma ngapha iposition yami izolahleka ngento engekho ngapha ngilahlekelwa umshado ngapha yabona so there are a lot of things sometimes yenziwa nawo unkosikazi wakho umshadile just because of izinto zingahambi kahle or sakathola enye ibhari ngathi ikwazi ukumcimela ilihlo better than you sakafuna ukusebenzisa lento ukuthi hayi lo obviously mangathi ngiyamkhipha uzofuna into zakhe by the way makabhaca mina ngcono ngimhambisa estupini mina ngihlala ngichubeka ngempilo yami so this is painful for abantu abayenzayo people I don't understand why this evil engena kubo because of this GPV but that doesn't mean abantu mele baqinezela by the way umuntu wonke umuntu nama rights lo ubophisayo unamalungelo nalabo ubophisayo unamalungelo so awukwaqindezela abanye amalungelo so kahle akutholakala ukuthi shulu umuntu bakutholakala ukuthi lento uyenzile and be wrong agwetshwe yena ngalesigwebo bathi bazonikeza wena because of why akufaka umntwana into engayenzanga and thina masisuka lapha siya wena usitshelile ufika futhi sokhula and khona abantu abantswemi ngoku-actor afike sakakhala wasrola uzuyikholwe lento ukuthi lento uyenzile all to find out ukuthi lo muntu lona baye just acting mara actor endaweni wrong ngesikhathi esirong ngena amakhemera
sisekakeni Bratum No, thank you very much, Papa D. I hope to have a sane and a solid, sober conversation in the near future, and all the best and more. We pray for your protection more than anything. We pray for you, crime fighters, more than we pray for ourselves. I just hope ukuthi abafundisi they may play their role, abaprofeti, traditional leaders. Ake kukhulumeke man ukuthi bafethu, let's go back to indlela ebesi-operate ngayo. I remember benginoya kwaNdebele mangiye lapha kagogo. Bekunenkosi uBhoholo bekaphethe ikhwipiri lapha bewashaya induku bangadlali wafika ngamatekinyana bekusesene-DKNY kwalahleka something ingekho kuthiwa khona uSiphuma Joes uzobizwa chief bafuna ukwazi Siphuma Joes kambe njani manje la wathela wayeka ngoba yonke into ama-right yabo umuntu wethu ugcoke ini nani kuvele ini. I don't want to be lambasted because people they escalate lento very fast. Ngikhuluma ngama-morals. Abantu abadala they know. Let them play their role. Yabo? Ngoba remember even uye esontweni uzohlala front row nesicephezana sakho nani umfundisi uyashumayela ngapha yonke iBuffalo ihleli ngaphandle. Lento zonke zifuna umuntu abe nale nto nje yokuzihlola yabo ukuthi let's not only take into and weaponize something against a certain gender. And there are genuine cases ezibhlungu blind. Umuntu athela ubani ngoba kusamela ngiyojole next door so uthela umuntu ngeoil ngeacid ngamanzi. We've seen people babafaka emadustbin babashisa nani. It's sad and i-country ihlukana phakathi manje. And then sonke ke sekuthiwa laba bayizinja wabanamadevu lo yinja. So let's fix lezi noma niloko niya anibalance singayiyeki le subject agenda based because it's a sensitive subject manje in the country. And singabaleka siye phinani we've seen president ayideclare lento ukuthi man kune flop elikanje kwafaka ibudget towards yona le nama departments are designated kunama social workers but let us in doing that try to filter simayile lento abantu abamayelayo abantu bayamayela bona sihlukanise ukuthi no le kwamampela la kune story la kune situation hayi ngoba kulwelwa indlu yeRDP. Papa D sidinga ama number wakho sidinga the point of contact. How do we get in touch? Kunabantu abahleli bathi sinenkinga and nina vela bomabiza sabela abantu abaningi I've seen out here bayibhathula lapha G63 within 40 minutes yabitholakele wakhala isimbambamba Ntswembu umfethu ayoyijavela zenzela into zakhe. So I've got cases nami engazibhala ngithi these are your successes. So ngoba kunento ezinhle ezenzakalayo surpassing lezi zimbi ninama challenges siyavuma para impilo ayimi yaqhubeka asibanikeze all the contact ukuthi sinithola kanjani.
Yeah, at the moment asikabe ne hotline number ye-Gauteng Anti-Crime Unit.
Yeah.
But all these other crime fighters within battalion Setuduza, you have Yizo is a spread, we have Tatazonke is a spread. So it will be unfair for me to say one number Tatazonke because I'm here to represent all these organizations. Yeah. But through you, Chair, if ngakwazi ukusendela zona all these units so that because angikwazazi ngenhloko zonke so that ukuthi mawufuna iqolani foundation that deal to drugs na number yabo so wena sozuyiveza kahle ku page lakho yabona so that but we have all these platforms and hotline numbers Instagram cellular PI sonke sasebenza but angikwazi wonke lama number only know ngekhanda wesithatha zonke. But it will be fair for me to give you all the numbers. Yes.
Ukhuluma njengeleader umongameli ileader lethatha zonke ibeke kahle. Right Brabongs inote yakho ke namhlanje I need all of those numbers because abantu mele babe la kwi press button singazi kuphela ukuthi ubani celebrity hip song of the year but asazi ukuthi ubani ongasiza masiface le sketchless. Let's fight crime together. We know it is a pandemic in our country and we are all affected by it. So until the next episode, this is the chairman signing off and we're out. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and comment and share this video so that people may be woke and be aware. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Salute.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a yeah, Papa D.